The purpose of this video is to show you how to do the J-tube test when you're testing for a carbonate or a hydrogen carbonate. And the directions tell you is to get a regular size test tube and fill it 1/3 full of calcium hydroxide. So I'll go ahead and do that. That's the smaller test tube. Then it says to take the larger test tube, which is in the test packet there, and to fill the smaller end with a known carbonate. So I went to the knowns board and grabbed some potassium hydrogen carbonate, and I'm going to take a good size amount so that it fills the rounded end. The directions then tell you you're going to take the tube that has the calcium hydroxide and put the glass end inserted in there. And it's going to take some manipulating with your fingers to learn how to do this. So you've got that ready to go. And this end must be inserted in here when you do the actual test. Now before I do this, what I want to do is add some acetic acid. And what we're looking for is to see what happens when you put acetic acid with a known carbonate. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. And I have here acetic acid, and you just take an eyedropper full and go ahead and squirt it straight in, and then quickly put the stopper in. And if a carbonate is present, which we do have, it should bubble through the liquid and turn it a cloudy white. So we can see there is a precipitate forming here. This is what carbonates do, and this proves you have a carbonate. Now what you want to then do is go back to the booklet and find out which carbonate you have. And what the tests say to do is to get a known carbonate, a hydrogen carbonate, and your unknown, and get 3 separate tubes. Dissolve them in water. You'll then get hydrogen paper and test the pH of all 3 of those. Yours should match the pH of one of these 2 solutions. And that's how you determine which carbonate you have.